All right. Hey, DTA sixth graders. Today we're going to be answering the questions, what is prehistory and what were the first humans on Earth? So Africa is the home of all human beings. We all originated from there. All the people you see here, who all look so different from one another, have common roots from more than 4 million years ago. We all came from Africa. Human-like beings that walked upright were known as hominids. It is believed that the earliest hominids lived around 4.4 million years ago in the humid forests of eastern and southern Africa. Anthropologists, who are scientists who study human history, divide hominids into 3 different types based on their body shapes and lifestyles. The first type of hominids are referred to as Homo habilis, which means person with abilities. It is believed that Homo habilis lived until about 1.5 million years ago. Anthropologists believe that Homo habilis were the first hominids to use tools. Tools allowed hominids to become the masters of their environments, to hunt, to build, and to perform important tasks that made life easier for them. The first tools were made out of stone. Thus, historians refer to the period of time before written history as the Stone Age. We're going to use the word prehistory to define all time before history was recorded. The second type of early human living on Earth was Homo erectus, which meant person who walks upright. Homo erectus lived on Earth until about 150,000 years ago. The first simple languages spoken by Homo erectus likely developed around 500,000 years ago. Homo erectus not only stood up on 2 legs and talked to one another, they were also the first hominids to use fire. With the discovery of fire, Homo erectus became even more adept at survival. Fire allowed them to cook their food, to stay warm in cool environments, and to utilize caves as shelter, as fire provided light to see in the dark caves. Fire also scared away predatory animals. Another important thing to know about Homo erectus is that these hominids spread humans all over the world. Many bands stayed in Africa, but over many thousands of years, many others traveled to Asia and Europe. At this time, the Earth was in the midst of an ice age. So much of our ocean water was frozen, leaving more land available for walking. Land bridges allowed hominids to walk in places that are now just water. For example, the Bering Land Bridge. It provided a path from Asia to North America, which is why people first settled on this continent that we are in, North America. The final type of hominid living on Earth is Homo sapien. Homo sapien means person who can think. All humans living on the Earth today are Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens were fast learners. As a result of their more complex brains, we have become the humans we are today.